Hi friends, welcome to another awesome video. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Zoom onto your PC. First, open your browser. Now search for Zoom Cloud Meeting and hit enter. Open the site. Now click on this download button. Open this file. Now run this executable file. Now click on this S button. Now you can join a meeting by giving your Zoom credentials. That's it friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.